You were participating the fourth Bodo Little Fest.
Yes.
Your feelings?
Oh, I felt very welcome, and I've met people that I would have never met otherwise. And I found the area, the Bodoland area, very friendly and very inspiring.
And our people, our customs. How do you feel about this?
I was pleasantly surprised at how the Bodo people are much like my own people. We look kind of similar, and your poetry has the same rhythm as my own language, my own Korean language, and your music, especially your music, reminded me of old Korean folk music, and I think that's the one of the biggest surprises I got here. That I expected to find a foreign place, but I found myself in somewhere that I felt much more familiar. So I think I'll take that back with me and tell my family and friends of my experience here.
You have come first.
I've never been to India before. This is the first place in India that I have ever been.
Today you wear a Bodo traditional attire. How is your feeling?
I didn't understand you. I'm
So
sorry.
far, how many books you have published?
Oh, let me count. Probably about 10. But all of them are in Korean. But last year, one of my fantasy novels, Blood of the Old Kings, it was translated into English by the translator Anton He and came out last year, last October actually.
You have wear this Bodo traditional dress. How do you feel about that?
Oh, this is very comfortable and very cool, and it shows off my biceps, and yes, it's very comfortable, and I'd really like to walk around a bit in this, but everybody has been wanting to take pictures with me, so I wasn't able to move.
Have you learned any Bodo words and language?
Just two.
Okay, can you tell us?
I know Kulumbai,
Yes.
hello, and Guzenteng.
Do you know the meaning?
Yes, that's thank you, and Kulumbai is hello. So those two words are always the first words that I end up learning wherever I go.
And what about the hospitality here?
As I said, everyone is so welcome. The what was it protocol officers especially, they were such great help, and everyone was so friendly, and I felt very welcome.
What about food?
Food was one thing that was very different. Korean food tends to be very what's the word? Very hot, salty, and sweet. Here, it's more subtle, and the flavor there are more flavors, but they aren't so overpowering. So I liked Bodo food, especially I liked how the pork was prepared.
What message would you like to give those who are writing, writers like you?
Like me. Hmm. Well, it depends on what kind of writer you are, but to young people who aspire to be a writers, I'd like to say it might feel like that you will never be published. It might feel like that you have no chance, but keep on writing. If you, in whatever time you have, well, you have to feed yourself, you have to make money for yourself, but you have to make your own living. But besides that, all the time that you have left, you have to spend it for your writing. Keep doing that, and you may still not be published, but you will end up with something you are proud of. And that's the most important thing.